delicious here. Today's video is just going to be a vlog of me baking my cake and making my chin chin. I'm super excited because it's my birthday. Yeah. So I'm just chilling with my friends. Yeah, and I'm really grateful to God for making me to see this year. It's not by my power, it's by grace. So yeah guys, tag along and please enjoy the video, and if you're new here, please subscribe. And for my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys. Let's get done. What's up guys, I'm about to start baking my cake and my chin chin, so I'm going to take you guys along, but not a very detailed video about baking the cake, but I'm just going to show you guys some clip of the procedure of me baking my cake and making the chin chin. So guys, keep watching. Okay guys, these are my ingredients for me to bake my cake and make my chin chin. I'm going to list it down in the description box below so people can see it. Yeah, this is my butter and my sugar. I'm about to mix it. I'm just whisking my egg. So I'm mixing my butter and my sugar to make it fluffy. If you guys want a very detailed of how to bake cake and make chin chin, please let me know in the comment below, then I'm going to do a video on that. So yeah, I've already put all my ingredients. I've put my cake food, my flavor, everything. I've just put everything, all the ingredients, so I'm just mixing everything together. Yeah, so my cake is set to put in the oven. So after mixing the cake, I'm putting it in the pan. I was thinking that the cake was too strong, but it wasn't though. Yeah, my cake is out of the oven. It's ready, it's set and all that. Yeah, it's two cake though, this and the other one, but I'm only going to ice this one. I'm only going to ice this big one. I'm not icing the other one. Yeah, I'm done icing. Sorry guys, pardon my icing. I was really tired, so I just iced it anyhow. When my friends came around, they were even laughing at the cake. So yeah, this is my chin chin. I'm just slicing it. Yeah, that's chip. If you, like I said guys, if you want a detailed video of me baking or making my chin chin, please let me know in the comment section, so I'm going to do a video on that. Yeah, my chin chin is set. Yeah, my chin chin is set. Sorry guys, I didn't use my light here, so it was pretty dark. Yeah, see who came to my birthday, my friends. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Try and hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you all be notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys on the next one.